Hi, my name is Yvette Williams.
Yeah, my name is Mo Gahari.
My name is Teresa Cuentas.
Lena, my age, 73 years old. It's unbelievable.
We are at Holiday Park Senior Center.
I am right now on special technology session, which provided by our young expert on technology and digital devices.
This was a really good experience. I had a young person that was working with me. He was very knowledgeable. What he couldn't figure out right away, he was quick with his fingers to try to do the research. We covered probably at least a dozen things that I had questions about. It was really extremely helpful, and I would love to do it again.
Thankfully, they have guys and girls who are coming here and helping us with our technology issues. And my problem was with my iPhone. And the gentleman who helped me, young man, I think he's a 10th or 11th grader at Albert Einstein High School, and he did a good job. He really helped me a lot. And they're very generous with their time and their knowledge.
Well, for me, it has been a nice experience because I learn and I teach too. Oh my goodness, a lot of things, but mainly how to transfer my photos the photos from my cell phone to the computer.
My name's Christina.
My name is Adriano Quispe.
My name is Christine.
I'm here at Holiday Park Senior Center. Today I helped with the senior smart tech classes. I think the biggest thing today was that every time I helped someone, they were like, "How did you do that?" And I'm like, I was born the same year the first iPhone was released.
It was really helpful and I learned a lot from them. They were really appreciative of my work with them and I was really happy to do it.
So it's pretty exhilarating. I love teaching people, and it's fun to seeing seniors able to connect with the modern world.
Thank you so much, Christine, for this and for all of you for this opportunity for us senior citizens at this place. Thank you.